everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Upcycling Ugly Thrift Challenge. I'm going to give you the details later, but I wanted just to show you what I found at the thrift store and what I'm going to work on. It is two bookends. I won't say they are really ugly, but okay, it's not my cup of tea. They are not my cup of tea. So I'm going to work on them. I'm going to start painting them out of view, off camera, and then I will be back and I'll show you all the other things I'm going to do to them, and I'll give you the details of the challenge. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and first of all I want to remind you, if you watch my previous videos, which I hope you did, and if not, this is an announcement. From August 1st on, this is how my channel will look. I'm changing name and image, thanks to my talented daughter who made the design and all the changes here on Facebook, Instagram, etc. So this is how I'm going to look from then on. Okay, as I said, I'm participating in a challenge that this is the Upcycling Ugly Thrift Challenge. It's hosted by Pretty Simple Sherry, and her co-host is Lisa Burningham. Both ladies are really talented, both are very creative, so they deserve you to visit their channels. The links are going to be in the description box, and there is going to be also a link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge, so please pay a visit and leave some comments. As I said, it's supposed to work this way. We have to find something that we don't like. I don't like to say is ugly, because what's ugly for me may be beautiful for others. So it's just a matter of opinions and tastes. I found those two bookends that, for me, they are not really ugly, but they are kind of outdated. So I decided I could do something different for them, with them. So I painted them white. I saved this part because even though I'm going to cover them with something, I want to keep this part like it is, because maybe someday I will change my mind, and this is like chalkboard and I may write something here. I don't know. I thought I'm going to keep this black, so I painted the bookend in white on all sides except this one. As I said before, it's supposed to be used this way, but I like it better this way. So after I painted it, I went around the borders with this marker, which I love, and I think it's discontinued. I haven't been able to find it anymore, but it's wonderful. And this is what I did on both sides. Now I'm going to add this piece of buffalo check ribbon, because I want to use this in my kitchen. My whole house is farmhouse style, but especially my kitchen, and I want to use them for recipes books. So I thought that this is the perfect addition to make it more farmhousey. So I'm going to add this ribbon, but I'm not going to glue it everywhere, all around, because, as I said, I want to save what is under it. So I'm going to just add some bits, especially in the borders. because it's going to stay in place. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm going to add a little bit more of glue here. I'm stretching it because I want to be really close to the back. what is under it, that's what I wanted to say. Well, I'm sorry, I had a problem with my memory cards. It was full and I had to switch for another one. So now I'm back. I finished adhering the ribbon to this side. The ribbon I use is this one that is from Michael's. I got it on the on sale, after a Christmas sale, 90% off, so it's a lot, and I bought two which I'm glad I did. Here is the other one. I made both of them. I covered both of them with the ribbon, and then I'm going to use it, as I said, in my kitchen for recipes books. So to give them a more farmhouse look, even more farmhouse look, I decided to write farm recipes in the borders. I printed the words in vellum paper. I always give you this piece of advice: when you are going to transfer something, use vellum paper. First of all, that allows you to go with the pencil only over the letters, not to mark everything as you do when the paper is not translucent. And then when you transfer it, you get some brown, some black marks where you place your hand to keep the paper in place, etc. And then the other benefit is that you can see exactly where you are applying or transferring the letters, and if you move a little bit the paper, you can place it again without any problems. That's what I did here. Then I used this Sharpie, that is, the point is really fine, and I painted the letters. The surface was a little bit kind of rough, so the letters are not perfect, but well, it's for myself, I don't mind. And now the final touch, so I'm going to use them this way. I'm going to add these letters on these sides. These letters are part of this set of letters that I've had for ages, centuries, in kind of fall colors. I painted them black, and then I used this little machine that I love and I use all the time to make them self-adhesive. It's really easy. You just place whatever you want to make a sticker of here. You just roll, and on the other side you get the sticker already made and ready to be used. This is an old model. There's new ones, but they all do the same, and I love this one. So I'm going to add the A here. As you can see, I got the glue, so I just have to adhere it where I want it, like here. And then I'm going to do the same with the thread. You see how much time and glue in your hands does this machine save you. Let me see. It's like here, I think. Yes. Okay. This is bigger, so I should move it a little bit to the left. Much better. So now I have my bookends ready to be used, and it was a very simple DIY. Takes a little bit more time than others, but the result I think is beautiful. I really like how they look now, and I hope you liked it too. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and the playlist linked in the description box. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.